Hello kids, today's story is The Bird and the Monkey. Once upon a time, a bird built a strong nest on a tall tree. She lived happily in her safe home. One day, it began to rain heavily. A monkey was swinging on a branch near the bird's nest. Getting drenched in the rain, he was shivering. The kind bird said, "Why don't you build a shelter to protect yourself from the rain?" But the monkey thought, "She is well sheltered, so she is teasing me." Angrily, the monkey leapt to catch the bird. But he slipped and he fell down. The bird said, "I was only trying to help you, but since you attacked me, I will not let you stay under my tree." She pecked and chased the monkey away. So, kids, moral of the story is think twice before you react.